Want to know how to make a delicious homemade Caesar salad dressing? Here it is.
This is not a traditional Caesar salad dressing. I don't use anchovies and I don't use raw eggs. But I'm telling you, it's a mighty tasty Caesar salad dressing. Instead of anchovies, I'm using fish sauce. Now, if you don't have fish sauce, you don't like fish sauce, you want to have nothing to do with it, don't add it. Maybe double up on the Worcestershire sauce. 1/4 cup yogurt, 1/4 cup mayo, fresh Parmesan, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 tablespoon of Dijon, teaspoon of Worcestershire, 1/4 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon lemon. Give it a little taste test. It needs a little bit salt and pepper, I think. I love this consistency. A delicious Caesar salad dressing, no anchovies, no raw eggs, and it'll last 7 days in the fridge.
Let's dress that salad.
It's pretty much everything you want in a Caesar salad.
Unless, of course, you want a chicken Caesar salad. Don't worry, there's a recipe for that at gettystewart.com.